Welcome to The Organic Way, where we explore the secrets of organic living for a healthier, happier you. From powerful antioxidants in everyday fruits to timeless natural remedies, we bring you life-changing insights. Join our community of health enthusiasts by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the love by sharing this video with someone who values wellness. Together, let's embrace choices that nurture both body and planet. Your organic journey begins here. Step into a world of vitality and connection with the organic way.
All right, everybody, welcome back. We're going to be diving into some really interesting stuff today. I don't know about you, but I'm always on the lookout for ways to maybe, trim down a little.
Yeah.
Especially around the belly.
Yeah. The never-ending struggle.
It never ends. So I came across this article from the Economic Times, and the title really caught my eye. 9 soups that help to melt belly fat fast.
Catchy.
Right. I mean, it's just kind of clickbaity, but it got me thinking, can certain soups actually help with weight management? I figured, why not take a deep dive into this and see what the science has to say?
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a lot of hype out there when it comes to weight loss.
Absolutely. So let's break it down. The first soup they mention is tomato soup. And, I love a good tomato soup.
Classic.
The article talks about how it's packed with lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant.
Right. And there's some research to suggest that lycopene can actually play a role in reducing belly fat. I don't know if you've ever heard of that.
Yeah, I actually have. I vaguely remember reading a study a while back that linked higher lycopene intake with a smaller waist circumference.
Exactly. So there might be something to that.
Interesting. Okay, so moving on to the next soup, we've got miso soup, which I think of as that really good, savory Japanese soup. I actually love it.
Oh, it's delicious. It's also really good for your gut health because of the probiotics.
Probiotics, that's a word we hear a lot these days. I know it's supposed to be good for digestion, but what's the connection to belly fat?
Well, think about it this way. When your gut is healthy and things are moving smoothly, you're less likely to experience bloating. And less bloating can definitely make your belly look and feel flatter.
Okay, so it's not just about actually losing fat, but also about reducing that puffiness. I like that.
Exactly. It's all connected.
So, next on the list, we have a soup that's green and leafy, spinach and kale soup. I'm already feeling healthier just thinking about it. This one's actually really interesting because it kind of hits on a few different aspects of weight management.
Oh, how so? Well, first you've got the fiber. Both spinach and kale are loaded with it, and fiber, as you probably know, is fantastic for making you feel full and satisfied.
Right, so you eat less overall.
Exactly. Plus, they're packed with essential vitamins but low in calories. But then there's this other thing about the kind of fiber in these greens, the soluble kind, which is really good at helping to keep your blood sugar stable. And when your blood sugar is all over the place, that's when you get those intense cravings.
So true. I definitely get those energy crashes that just make me want to reach for a sugary snack.
Yeah, and those definitely don't help with the belly fat situation.
Not at all. Okay, so another soup that the article mentions is cabbage soup, which I've always kind of associated with detoxing.
Yeah, the word detox gets tossed around a lot, and it's not always clear what it really means, but cabbage itself is definitely a good choice if you're looking for low-calorie veggies with plenty of fiber.
Which, as we've discussed, can be a big help with weight management. Now let's talk about a soup that just screams comfort food. Chicken and vegetable soup.
A classic. And there's a reason it's so satisfying. You've got lean protein from the chicken, which, compared to carbs, takes a while to digest, so you stay full for longer.
Makes sense.
Plus, all those veggies add bulk, which also slows down digestion. And like we talked about, when things digest slower, you don't get those rapid blood sugar spikes, so fewer cravings.
Okay, so chicken and vegetable soup is a winner all around. But what about people who don't eat meat?
Don't worry. There are some great plant-based options, too. The article highlights lentil soup as a fantastic source of protein.
Lentils, yeah. I love those. They're really filling, aren't they?
Super filling. Plus, like the other soups we've talked about, they're packed with fiber and help keep your blood sugar stable.
All right, lentils. Now, one that I've been seeing more and more on menus is cauliflower soup.
Oh, that's a good one. I mean, who would have thought cauliflower could make such a delicious, creamy soup? It's incredibly low in calories.
I always thought creamy soups were kind of a no-go if you're watching your weight.
Not necessarily, you just have to pick the right ingredients. Cauliflower is a great example of how you can enjoy creamy, flavorful food without all the extra calories.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to try that.
Yeah.
Now, next up, we have ginger and lemon detox soup. Love anything with ginger. And lemon just seems so refreshing.
Oh yeah, they're both great for digestion. Ginger has been used for centuries for that. And lemon adds a nice tangy flavor and a bit of vitamin C.
So maybe not a magic fat melting potion, but definitely good for overall well-being.
Right, it's all about supporting your body's natural processes. And last but not least, we have pumpkin soup.
Perfect for this time of year.
And super nutritious. Pumpkin is full of fiber and antioxidants.
And once again, the fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which is kind of the recurring theme here.
Yeah, I think that's really the key takeaway from all of this. These soups are all about using ingredients that work together to promote satiety and keep those hunger pangs at bay.
Exactly. So even though that article title was a little over the top, it seems like these soups can definitely be a valuable part of a healthy weight management approach.
Absolutely. But as always, it's about a holistic approach. Soup alone isn't going to miraculously melt away belly fat. It's about incorporating these soups into a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and balanced eating habits.
Couldn't agree more. And I think what's really exciting is that you can get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavors and ingredients.
Exactly. And that actually leads me to a question for our listeners. What are some of your favorite ingredients to add to soups? Are there any spices, herbs, or even other veggies that you think would take these soups to the next level? I'd love to hear your ideas.
Oh yeah, that's a great question. Let us know in the comments. We might even try out some of your suggestions.
Sounds good. And remember, the journey to a healthier you can be delicious and fun.
So go ahead and embrace the power of soup. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for joining The Organic Way. If this video inspired you, don't stop here. Take action. Hit like to support more content like this, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with someone who could use a little organic inspiration. Every like, comment, and share helps grow our green community. Together, we're making healthy living the new normal. Stay natural, stay inspired, and stay organic.